Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It is your girl Ashley Aria. I'm back with another video. Today I am doing mini twist. As you can see, I'm using all Alikay Naturals products because if you don't know, I am an Alikay gal, so I am one of their brand ambassadors for this season. So I got me some products, okay, and I'm just gonna be using the products to slay this look that I'm doing. Yeah, that's all I got for you for an intro, sis. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button, follow me on all of my social media, and let's get into the video. One more thing. So I do have a coupon code if you guys like any of the products, if you want to try anything, if you already know you love Alikay Naturals. It is Ashley P15 right here across the board. Yeah, so if you want to check out their products on their website, just use my coupon code, sis. You can get you a little coin off. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And hey y'all, so I'm starting off this video with deep conditioner already in my hair in the twist because that's how I do my wash day. I use the Avocado Cream Moisture Repairing Mask by Alikay Naturals, and it was love. Basically, avocado cream is to nourish your hair, make sure that it's moisturized, it's soft, it's more elastic, and it did all of that. Like, my hair was super defined, super moisturized, super shiny, and I have a few damaged parts, so that's what avocado cream is supposed to be for, is to help damaged hair look and feel its healthiest. So, you know, repairing it one step at a time. I twisted it back up so I can get out of the shower to start the process of putting the mini twist in my hair. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all a little something how it look. Yeah. And I'm back. So I had put the turban on my hair to control some of the shrinkage that is going to happen with mini twist. It's just a way of life. And I'm just gonna take them down so I can part more freely. But do y'all see how moisturized and shiny it looked just from the mask? That is what I'm talking about, Alikay. Y'all did y'all thizzle with that one. So the first product that I used in my style was the Lemongrass Leave-in conditioner, and this product is made with aloe vera, silk amino acids, lemongrass oil, and that's all used to repair damaged hair to promote moisture from inside of the cuticle. And then the smell is just a bonus. So I parted my hair to prep for the twist, and then I went ahead and applied the leave-in conditioner, which has like a silky texture. So the next product that I paired it with was the Creme Brûlée Curling Delight. And it basically has a pineapple scent. It's a really soft gel, and it's also made with aloe vera, agave nectar, and argan oil. And do y'all see that definition? It was amazing. I used it to twist my hair. It's supposed to reduce frizz while clumping and elongating your curls, and then it gives a nice polished curl, and so it gives you shine. It's not sticky, it's not greasy, it doesn't leave your hair dry or crunchy. So I was like, yes, I'm gonna use it for that. It would have been perfect for a wash and go, but I wanted to do mini twist, so don't fight me, sis. But yes, that is how the first twist came out. So I'm gonna do some more, and I will come back to show you guys, you know, when I get the hang of things, how it looks.
2 hours later.
So I'm back. I finished a couple of rows. This is how it's looking. I'm pretty proud. You know, they're not super small, but they're not huge, so whatever. But I did get hungry, so I'm about to eat these ravioli, take a little intermission, and I'll be back with some more twists. Don't worry, sis.